Hi, in this video I will share with you how to extract the last part of the ID. So every of this entry here, item here, the last part is a is a part ID. So here is what expected. You can see that here we want to get this value and so on, right? So, and as for this, we want to get the value of in between the after this bracket, and then but removing this LTC1 LTC2 or this. So, and for this we want to have the space in between. So this is just a demo what can Excel do for you, macro do for you, right? If you don't use that, you will need to do like this, copy this and put it here. But notice that when you copy and paste it here, the zero is not there, so you need to put a zero in front, but also cannot. You need to put a single quote zero, then only you can capture it. As for this, you need to do it for the next one and this one. You need to highlight this and do it. So you need to do this kind of step, right, without fail. So yeah, so that is not only tedious but it's also prone to human error because you copy and paste, right? We're not talking about 12 rows, but it's about 500 rows, 1000 rows. How do you extract this hidden part, right? So I have write some VBA code to help that, just for that, right? So just the first one I do is to capture, extract any value that is after the space, the last space. But there is a box because that you cannot get the zero if the entry is zero. Like for example, here there's also zero, it becomes 77. Now I can clear it. Yeah, it's there, but this one does not work. So here is another attempt. This one can work. And I clear the rows, and you can see that quite nice, right? Okay, so that is a demo of what Excel macro can do. Thanks for watching.